Setting up standing orders with Zopa Bank is a straightforward process that allows you to make regular payments to individuals or businesses. To begin, you need to have a Zopa Bank account and be registered for online banking. First, log into your Zopa Bank online banking account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments section, where you will find the option to set up a standing order. Select the account you want to make the payment from and enter the details of the recipient, including their name, account number, and sort code. You also need to specify the amount you want to pay and the frequency of the payment, such as monthly or quarterly. Choose the start date for the standing order and decide whether you want the payment to be ongoing or for a fixed period. Review the details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Then confirm the setup of the standing order. You will receive a confirmation message once the standing order has been successfully set up. It is essential to keep a record of your standing orders, including the payment amount, frequency, and recipient details. To manage your standing orders, you can log into your online banking account at any time and view or amend the details as needed. You can also cancel a standing order if required, but be aware that you need to do this at least one working day before the payment is due to be made. By following these steps, you can easily set up standing orders with Zopa Bank and take control of your regular payments. Remember to always review and update your standing orders as necessary to ensure your payments are made accurately and on time.